Something new coming to Windows 11 in its next major update. Let me show you what that's going to be. Start by going to Settings, and you can either go there via the Start menu and Settings, or you can simply use the shortcut key of the Windows key and the I for information. That also opens up your settings. Once you get the settings, go to Personalization. Next, we want Background. Currently, you only have 3 choices. It's either a slideshow, which is what mine is set for, and I have it set to pick the pictures from my Pictures folder. The other currently available options are a solid color or a picture. You can choose a picture. That's choosing an available picture. In my case, I already selected one, and once I select it, you'll see my background changed to that picture. But in the next update, you'll have one more choice to choose from, and that is Windows Spotlight. When you select it, Windows selects a picture for your background. You can't change it every hour or at your will. Windows or Microsoft will decide when it's time for the next Spotlight background. But it's one more option, and they have some beautiful pictures, as you can see from this example. Something to look forward to with the next major update on Windows 11. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching.